Welcome back, ladies and gents, boys and girls. My name's Tom Dyer. Today we are making the Southside. Of course, it's going to be an alcoholic version and the non-alcoholic version. For the alcoholic Southside, we're using Moses gin. We're kicking off with a double shot. 8 to 10 mint leaves. A shot of lime juice and half a shot of sugar syrup, 1 to 1. Shake with ice. Okay, that's the alcoholic Southside. Now let's move on to the non-alcoholic Southside, or a Southside Mocktail. If you want to learn any of those tin-on-tin shaker moves you've seen in the video today, make sure you check out my secondary channel where I'll be teaching you how to do them. For this, we're using the Seedlip non-alcoholic spirit, Garden 108. Got a nice herbal finish to it, should work really well in this mocktail Southside. We're gonna kick off with a large measure. Shot of lime juice. 8 to 10 mint leaves. And half a shot of sugar syrup. Now we can shake with ice. So there we have it, the alcoholic Southside and the non-alcoholic Southside. Let me know which one you prefer down in the comments, and also tell me which cocktail you'd like to see an alcoholic and a non-alcoholic version of in next week's video. Don't forget that while you're here, you can go down there, shake on that subscribe button, or just tap it with your finger. And click the bell if you want to be notified of when my videos are going live. But that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And until next week, if you are still here at the end and you enjoyed that video, then I highly recommend you go and check out this one I did last week on the beetroot margarita. You might be surprised which of the two you would actually enjoy the most. Thanks again for watching, I really do appreciate it.